Toytime Surprise!
It is time to open up another egg. And little Annie doesn't need your help this time, Robin or Hulk, so you stay put. You can turn your lasers off because little Annie's going to try this all on her own. Okay, loves, let's open this Spidey egg in 3, 2, 1. And we have another Marvel 500 character, and it is Marvel's War Machine. We have Marvel's War Machine right here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at all these great Marvel characters. They're so awesome. We have so many today. We have to open up another Spidey egg, so here we go. Ooh, not sure what's in this one. It's Black Panther's car. Black Panther's inside. I don't know if he's going to come out, loves. I can't open the door. It won't open. But Black Panther is here and he's ready to go for a race somewhere. Wow. There he goes. Oh, he's stopping by Bumblebee. Gonna have a little talk with oh, and the War Machine. Well, let's see. Let's see where he ventures off to. Ah, there he goes. Black Panther's on his way. And it's time to open up another Spidey egg. My Spidey senses are tingling. Dee, 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 dee. Let's see what's inside. This is awesome. We have Spidey and Batman Lego. Boy, we have saved so many superheroes today. So we have the Lego Spidey, Lego Batman, and we're going to put them right here together. Okay, Hulk, I need your help. We still have another egg way back there. Let me get it for you. I need your laser power to help. Are you ready? Here we go. Laser it, Hulk, laser. Boom, boom. All right. Let's use the laser and open this up. Oh, it's working. It's really working this time. You are melting that Play-Doh away. All right. Whoa. Sorry, I got a little bit on you there, Hulk. No problem, Annie. I got this. And he does. Yes, thank you, Hulk. This one's hard to open. I think I got it from here, Hulk. Okay. Let's see what's inside, loves. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. What is it? Why, it's Batman and the Bat Signal. Look at that! We have Batman, Imaginext Batman, and we have a Bat Signal. Whoo, so cool! We are saving so many superheroes. I'm so excited. But we still have one very important egg to open up. Are you guys ready, Robin and Hulk? We sure are. Okay, let me get Rugger. Can you help? Yeah, I can, Annie. Here I go. I'll help you. Bring it down. Do, 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 do. It's little Annie's love heart. Let's find out what's inside. We'll give it a little shake. And we know there's something sweet inside to share if it's a little Annie's love heart. So let's get ready. Oh, it's already popping open. There must be a lot of power in this. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, it is little Annie's Love Heart Surprise. We have Power Pellets, loves. We have Power Pellets. And of course it's powerful because we have all our superheroes here to share with. Look at this. Oh, I'm knocking them over. Let me move them out of the way. We have our Power Pellets. So, you know what happens when we have Power Pellets? We share them and we get powerful. So, let's get powerful in 3, 2, 1. Power Pellets. All right, I'm giving them out to everybody. I'm sharing them. I'm going to divide them up so everybody has some, even Diggs in the back. All right. Our our superheroes are powerful, which means we are able to open up our super big egg surprise today. Our A for Annie Loves or A for Avengers. I don't know. I'm going to say it's A for Annie Loves Adventure. So, loves, I'll need both Robin and Hulk's help to open this up. Are you ready, guys? And we need Supergirl and Bumblebee. Everybody, we need your help. Let's rescue whoever's inside or whatever's inside our super egg surprise. Are you ready? Here we go. Lasers, go. Boo, boo, boo. All right, let's get this off. Thank you, Robin. Hulk's banging on it. The girls are getting ready to help. Let's get this, guys. Oh, Supergirl, come on. We need your help. And guess what, loves? It's a Winky surprise. Oh, my goodness. Yay! Oh, loves, if you're ready for this Winky surprise, you better subscribe. Oh, Toytime surprise is so awesome. Look at all our superheroes. Okay, loves, we used all our power pellet power and all our superpower to open up this Winky surprise egg. And look what we have inside. We have some crayons. We have red, green, yellow, blue. And that must be for our Avengers, Marvel Avengers Power Pack. It's a play pack, grab and go, ready for battle. And look at Captain America. Look at all of them. I see Thor. And you can use your crayons to color in all these awesome pictures. Look. Hey, there's the Hulk. And look, I think Iron Man's even inside here. This is so awesome. We have a little coloring book. So that is great. What else do we have in our Winky surprise? We have stickers. Captain America, Iron Man, Bumblebee. We have a whole lot. The Hulk. Awesome. Actually, I'm going to put the Hulk right on right now. I love that green guy. He's so powerful. And what else? We have a Spidey Kinder Egg surprise. This is awesome. So let's make sure we're ready to open this up. And here we go, loves. Let's open our Spidey Kinder Egg surprise. My Spidey senses are telling me, do-do-do-do-do, there's something great inside. Let's see. Move that chocolate out of the way. Look at all that chocolate. Yum. Pretty good. We'll have to share that later with our superheroes. Inside we have, it's a little eraser. It's a Dr. Octopus eraser. And I guess you can collect a whole bunch of them. There they are right there. Look at all the erasers you can collect. And I know what little Annie loves to do. When she has erasers, she likes to erase all the marks. Oh, so cool. Yay! Well, loves, that was an awesome episode. Let me move the chocolate out of the way. Let me show you all our superheroes. Today on our episode, we had Spidey. The Hulk and Robin really helped us with their lasers open up those eggs. We have Bumblebee and Supergirl and all our superhero friends. And let's not forget Mimi. Bye! And Rugger. Bye-bye! And Diggs. Bye. And all our superhero friends, remember, on Toytime Surprise, little Annie always tells that if you care and if you share, you spread kindness everywhere. From little Annie and Toytime Surprise, see ya!